Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when working on projects involving event durations. The problem we're tackling today is finding the daytime and nighttime occurrence duration of an event with volatile durations, from its start time to end time. It can get pretty tricky, but fear not, we're here to break it down and find a solution. So, let's get into it. In finding the daytime and nighttime occurrence duration of an event, the key solution lies in breaking it down into two steps. First, we calculate the daytime duration using a formula that takes into account the start and end times of the event, factoring in the day and night hours. Once we have the daytime duration, we can easily calculate the nighttime duration by subtracting the daytime duration from the total event duration. By following these steps and formulas, we can accurately determine the daytime and nighttime durations of the event. To sum it up, the key to successfully calculating the daytime and nighttime durations of an event lies in understanding the relationship between the start and end times, as well as the distinction between day and night hours. By breaking down the calculations into separate steps and applying the provided formulas, you'll be able to accurately determine the daytime and nighttime durations for any event. I hope this video has been helpful in addressing this common challenge. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other quirky formulas you've come across in your projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time.